Hello everyone. Welcome to this series of Jira. If you're new to Jira, the biggest confusion is not the tool. It's why things exist. And I can hear you. Why epics? Why sprints? Why a backlog? What is the meaning of these terms? From where it comes? I understand the confusion here. And even the experienced people have confusion. If you've already used Jira before, you may know the buttons, but not always the thinking behind them. In this course, we will not only learn Jira practically, but we'll also understand Rovo AI. Rovo AI is an AI in Jira which gonna make your job super easy, believe me. If you want to write a story, you can just tell in few words and it will construct the entire story for you. Better and faster. So it's gonna make our job super duper easy and our life like a cakewalk, believe me. So, while understanding just enough agile to make everything click, we will be focusing on everything in this course. No theory overload, that's a promise. No unnecessary talks, just real work, real projects, and AI helping you at every step. Hello everyone, my name is Cheena Sharma. I work with Jira and Agile teams across real projects. From planning and delivery to reporting and optimization, I worked on everything. In this course, I'm not here to teach you theory. I'm here to show you how Jira actually works in real life and how Robo AI can make your work faster and clearer. If you are someone who can relate with this, then what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this journey. I'll wait for you inside the course. Thank you.